Welcome to Athar's Garage. In this video, I'm going to open up this RC10 B6.3 from Team Associated and show you what's inside. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the Team Associated B6.3 carpet car. We had a local track open up that has carpet, so I bought this and excited to try this out. Alright, so the box is nice and sealed. Oh, guess it doesn't open that way. So there's 3 seals that you have to cut open, looks like, and then it'll pop right open like that. Alright, so everything's nicely packaged. So you can see some things are on part trees. You've got, looks like the diff in here. And I'm excited. Nice quality parts. Some more. Looks like we've got some tools in here and turnbuckles. It labels everything. Bag 8 on this one. Bag 10. Bag 4. Little nice aluminum pieces. Bag 3. You got your oils, silicone fluids, 35 weight, 5000 CST, and 45 weight, and some grease in a little container here. It's nice that they include everything. And you don't have to provide your own silicone fluid and stuff like that, even though I have my own. There's bag 1, we've got some bearings in there as well. Bag 7, we got aluminum hexes for your wheels. Bag 6, oh, I didn't even know that the shock tower is carbon fiber. That's pretty cool. The plastics quality looks pretty good through the bag itself. There's bag 2. And there's still some parts on parts trees. I guess you gotta cut them off and trim them. I know a lot of the other kits out there don't have that, but this is kind of cool that it's kind of old school in the sense that you gotta take the parts off the parts trees. And you got a unpainted body that you got to trim out yourself. So you got your wing that you got to do the same thing, and then your front wing. There's actually 2 pieces in this, so that's pretty cool. You get an extra one, and then the aluminum chassis. Nicely packaged everything. And then you got some replacement screws. They're small screws, 2mm by 44. Make sure you don't lose those. And then you got, looks like the manual, some Velcro for the body, antenna tube if you want to use that. Everything's nicely packaged in the box. Alright, let's put everything back in the box for now, and then we can open up this manual and kind of look through it. Let's see if we can put everything back in order, make sure we got everything. So bag 1. There's bag 2. bag 3, 4, there's no bag 5. I'm assuming this might be bag 5. Bag 6, 7, 8. There's no bag 9, and here's bag 10. Replacement screws, fluids, and body. Let's take this off the desk. Let's see what we got in this bag for instructions. Got some 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape. This looks like some masking cutouts for your body. So when you paint, you can put those on. Velcro, antenna tube. You got nice stickers that you can put on your car. You got a little product brochure. Shows them a bit about the other cars that they have. It's pretty neat. And then here's the manual. Let's take a quick look at this and see how it looks. Looks like it folds out. Let's see if you can see this on the video. Let me bring this closer so you can take a look. But it shows you all the different screw lengths. And that way you can line it up and make sure you're using the right screws. So here and in the middle as well. But yeah, the manual looks pretty well detailed. Images are clear. Nothing too crazy, it looks like. I'm excited to put this together. But yeah, overall, nicely packaged. All the materials in the bag look great. Just gotta go through and make sure that all the bags are in there. I know some of them weren't labeled on mine. But yeah, we can. And maybe some of the bags are inside other bags. But it looks like they did have a bag 5 and a bag 9. And I saw those items in another bag. Yeah, because it says that there was no bag 9, but there's shocks, and there's shocks in this bag here, along with the gear diff, which is supposed to be bag 5, and it looks like the diff pieces are in here. So maybe not in the individual bags they're supposed to be, but it looks like everything is definitely here. So awesome. Well, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be posting some more videos about this build. I'll go through bag by bag and build everything out. And that way, if I have any issues, I can relay them to you guys. I know some of the local people had posted some information about issues that they had. So I'll definitely include that in the video, as well as some must-have upgrades that a lot of people are putting on these cars. So stay tuned for that. All right, thanks. Stay tuned for the next video.